Welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico and I'm very excited to share one more day with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will show you how you can make this beautiful stitch, how you can combine colors, and how we can create this and use this stitch for something amazing. As you can see, I'm not in my house, I'm in a different place. I'm in a beautiful town in Spain. It's so beautiful. The weather right now it's a little bit cold and I love it, and that's why I wanted to make this stitch according to this occasion. Well, remember, if you are new in my video, I will give you the step-by-step of how you can make this stitch. I know that in some parts of the world right now it's winter and it's very cold, and I'm feeling cold a little bit right now, so I wanted to make something thinking of you. But well, I will give you the step-by-step and the material list and some ideas where you can use this stitch. Okay, well, so let's start right away. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, I'm going to use a fine material and a crochet hook of number 4. This is a baby kind yarn. It's very soft, and for now, like, I'm going to make a small demonstration. I'm going to make 25 chains. I'm going to make them loose. Okay, after the 25 chains of the demonstration that I'm going to make, we are going to make one chain more. This stitch has a lot of different names. I have here that you can call this orange skin, and there are a lot, but well, we are going to start making single crochet, and then we are going to make a double crochet right next to it, and then single crochet. We are going to make the double crochet of 2 crochets. Remember, the double crochet is like this. Well, then after the double crochet, as I told you, we are going to make a single crochet, then double crochet. Please let me know how you call this stitch in your country. I know that it changes according to the city, to the country that you are. Please let me know in the comments how you know this stitch. Well, we are going to continue like this until we finish the row, making double crochet and single crochet. Well, look, at the end of the row we will have something like this. Now turn around, and now we are going to make the opposite. Where we made single crochet, now we are going to make double crochet, and when we made double crochet, we are going to make single crochet. So here we will go up with 2 chains because we are supposed to make the double crochet, but this is going to be the way we are going to start. Then single crochet, then double crochet, remember, of 2 crochets. You won't believe, but I didn't know about this stitch before. I haven't seen it before, and I saw this stitch in a beautiful jersey that one of my Spanish friends was using it, so I asked her to teach me, and then I can share with you. And I was confused because I thought it was with needles, but then she taught me that it was with hook. And well, I did my research and I found out that in English it's moss stitch. Please let me know if I'm correct. This is the moss stitch. I'm not sure yet. But well, let's continue making this stitch. I think it's beautiful. You can use it for blankets, for these tears that I saw on my friend. She looked beautiful, amazing. You can use it also for a baby jacket. A lot of things that you can make, and also in this video I will show you how you can use this stitch by combining other colors. So I will teach you how we can make the transition by changing colors, and I want you to show the yarn that I'm using. I told you this is special for babies. It's very soft, very good quality. I'm using a hook of number 4, and making this stitch loose. Remember, we have to take this as a therapy. Please not tie too much because if not, the stitch won't look Very good. Okay, so let's take time and let's try to make it as beautiful as possible we can. Okay, well, I'm going to continue. I want to continue making this stitch for four more rows more, so you can see it how it looks. Remember, at the end of the row we will turn around and we will go up with, for example, here we made in the last row double crochet, so here we are going to start with single crochet, and it will be the same when we finish with single crochet. Then to start the next row we are going to make 2 chains, and like this we are going to continue having our edge straight like this. Okay, and remember that the secret of this is that we are going to make the opposite of what we made before. Well, let's continue and let's keep this straight. Well, look, I made more rows and look how beautiful it looks. Now I'm going to change colors so you can see how it looks when we combined different colors. And well, you can make the combination that you want for the project that you want to do. Okay, remember that. I hope that you take this stitch and you make amazing things with it. And well, I'm going to change color to see how it looks. I'm loving it, right? Look here, I want to show you. I didn't cut the last thread. I leave it here and I just make a knot with the new color, and I start the first row, I just hide the thread while I was making this stitch. And here I'm missing the last stitch, so I'm going to make the double crochet. So now, for example, I want to continue with the color that I was using, so I just go up with the 2 threads, and as you can see here I made the transition of color, and you won't notice and you won't cut and you won't have any more loose threads. So I'm just going to take the thread of the color that I want to continue using, so I just continue with the color I want, making the stitch, and like this you won't cut and you won't have any loosened threads, and it's better. So this is a small tip but very useful, right? Well, what do you think? And then you will continue making the rows that you need for the project that you want. I hope that this stitch is very useful and it's the stitch that you was waiting for the next project that you have in mind. Okay, please, if you have more stitches like this one, I love to learn from you. You teach me a lot of things, believe it or not. I learn from you too. And if you have any other idea, please let me know and send me an email to tejiamigas@gmail.com, and as soon as I can make your idea, I will share with all of you. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to leave me a comment. I believe that this stitch is called moss stitch. Please let me know in the comments if I'm right. I'm very confused between Spanish and translating into English. The names are different, and also between countries it changed too. But please let me know if I'm correct. And well, please enjoy your Saturday. Please stay at home. Let's continue spending a good time with our family, and let's enjoy our Saturday. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to spend this day with you. Don't forget to subscribe, to leave a comment, to share all your ideas, and to follow me on all my social media, Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. And please tag me in the pictures so I can share and repost all the pictures, and all my friends and all my followers in Instagram can enjoy your pictures too. Well, thank you so much for watching, and see you the next Wednesday with a new video. Thank you so much, and bye. Move the camera so you can enjoy this view with me. Okay? Enjoy!